Dedoc is an open system designed for converting documents into a unified output format. Its source code is available on GitHub, accompanied by documentation that describes its main features. Dedoc can be installed as a library via the Python package, and its various components can be utilized separately. For example, users can employ readers to handle documents of different formats and extract document lines, tables, and attached files. Document lines contain text, metadata, and annotations, while tables contain cells with metadata, and attachment files are saved on disk. Additionally, users have access to converters, attachments, and metadata extractors, as well as structure extractors and structure constructors. The entire pipeline, comprising all available handlers, can be utilized, and then the output representation can be serialized. The documentation provides tutorials on how to expand the list of available handlers. Moreover, Dedoc can be executed within a Docker container, with its images accessible on Docker Hub. The service offers a simple web form where users can configure parameters for document parsing, such as the output structure type, how to handle attachments and tables, and details of PDF file handling, among others. Subsequently, users can parse a file and obtain its HTML representation for visualization. Alternatively, we can obtain a serialized result of document parsing in JSON format for further usage.